Shalom and welcome to Learn Hebrew with English Words, Lesson 2. In this lesson, you'll learn how to say I or I am in Hebrew. And the way that you say I am or I in Hebrew is ani. Just like ani. I or I am. Ani. In American football, when a coach wants the attention of all the players, he'll say, "Give me a knee." And that would be the same thing as I or I am. Notice that modern Hebrew doesn't need to have the word to be there. We'll go over that later. Hebrew is simple. When you want to introduce yourself, you just need to say ani with your name. Ani Tikva. Ani Avraham. Ani Rachel. Ani Yared. Remember, Hebrew likes to give the power to that last syllable, ani. It's even better if you add shalom. Shalom. Ani Tikva. Shalom. Ani Avraham. Shalom. Ani Rachel. Shalom. Ani Yared. Now introduce yourself and tell me your name in Hebrew.